Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's kind of get right into this. So this is a canning pot. I'm going to show you everything that it comes with. So to start out, this pot actually has a really great feature. The very top has this timer. You can go all the way up to an hour, and then when it's done, it's going to ring like that. So very nice, and it does have this see-through top so that you can see the cans as you're canning. It comes with some gloves. It comes with this little cute rag in this pretty little packaging, and it has like a thank you note on there. So this is great. It's just really nice, very soft. So it also comes with these date and content stickers, as you can see right there. It comes with the little canning funnel. So you put this on the top of the cans, and whatever you're canning, you'll actually spoon with your ladle. So you'll just put it in there, put it directly into the can. So that's very nice. It comes with this right here for picking up your cans, and it's that light plastic, so it's going to really stick onto the lids. You can also use it for tightening the lids. It comes with these right here. This is great for picking up the cans or placing them into your pot. Comes with a little spatula so you can scrape your pan out. This little metal thing is for the top of the lids, like when you're placing them on to the containers, so that's really nice. Then it has this right here. This for placing, you put your cans on there, and then you'll just put it down here, and you can see that's how it sets in there. So this is a really great kit if you're just starting to get into canning. It has everything that you'll need other than the cans, which you can pick those up at any store or even order them online. And then whatever you're canning, if you're growing a garden or something, I'm actually not growing a garden this year, but I do like gardening. So when I do garden, I like having these on hand so that I can can stuff, or if somebody gives me like a lot of tomatoes or anything like that, because I do have a lot of friends that farm, I can actually can some of them up so that they don't go bad. But yeah, that's everything that comes in here, but I will see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.